Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
Okay, it's James G here. Just a wee quick video about concrete windowsill repair against replacement. Now, replacing concrete windowsills is, I mean, you're affecting the window itself, the inside reveals, decorating the room. You're really into big bonkers money. So if we can actually repair it, do a good quality repair, you're literally saving it. You can save, especially if it's a good few windows, you're saving thousands of pounds. So we've got very good quality primers, slurries, and but there's really good quality stuff. And when they're actually finished, I mean, I defy anybody to tell the difference between them and a new than an actual replacement. And literally, I mean, I'm not exaggerating, you are saving yourself thousands upon thousands of pounds.
So if it's simple repairs or your dream home improvements, go to Belfast Building and Roofing at www.jgm-ni.com or call James on 02890 160 472 to book your free survey now. Belfast Building and Roofing. Real savings, real comfort.